First of all, let me begin by welcoming you to Somalia and your delegation as the head of this delegation of the European Union, a major partner for Somalia throughout our history as a state in the previous years, as member states, and now as the European Union, as we have been recovering from a post-conflict scenario. The European Union was a major partner in every aspect of Somalia's state-building process. You have been a constant supporter in our security front, in our development agenda, in our social development, and in the humanitarian front. So thank you very much for visiting us as a continuation of our relationship and as part of the most recent partnership agreement that we have established in May that pushes our relationship to new frontiers of cooperation and a relationship that is based on mutual principles of respect for the rule of law, human rights, and a Somalia that's at peace with itself and with the rest of the world, able to serve its citizens in the most meaningful way. I thank you not only on behalf of the Somali government, but also the Somali people that benefit from the support that the European Union and the European community provides to us on a regular basis. Among the areas of top cooperation priority is the security front. The European Union has been at the frontiers of the support in terms of supporting the Somali security institutions and also the former AMISOM and the current ATMIS over the last many years. As we now move towards a new era in which the Somali government and the Somali people holding hand in hand are fighting off Al-Shabaab and are finalizing the process of eradicating radical terrorism from the Somali landscape, we count on the support and the constant friendship that we have with the European Union. Of course, in terms of training, in terms of capacity building, and in terms of both material and other meaningful supports, it is boundless. The support that you provide with us is very much well noted, and we thank you very much. Within the front of debt relief, economic growth, and financial prudence, we're making significant gains, and by the end of this year, Somalia is destined to finalize a long-awaited process of a debt relief agenda. And over the years, the European Union has been one of the top supporters and champions in the international arena for Somalia to go through this debt relief agenda. It was not an easy task. On many occasions, you stood beside us, provided budgetary support, technical know-how, and all possible means of ensuring that we get through the debt relief process. So thank you very much in that front too. Finally, I think most Somalis are familiar with the support that you provide through non-governmental organizations and through the government in development and social policy areas. The respect for human rights, the support for civilian protection, the support for basic services, education, health, and every aspect of service provision. We truly are obliged and thankful to your people and also the officials of the European Union for the constant support they give us, not only in overseas, but also those that are here with us in Somalia in the thick of things, from security to development to political and diplomatic relations. Thank you very much. Finally, as part of the newly forged partnership roadmap agreement, we have agreed in our discussions to streamline and strategize our operations and actualization of these joint principles in the security sector, development, humanitarian, and social policy. The ambassador and the delegation have taken stock of the developments in the various fronts, and we have candidly shared our approach towards the fight against Al-Shabaab, the inclusive politics, the democratization agenda, the constitutional review process in our discussions. We are in full agreement on the way forward We have agreed to share our thinking and our understanding with one another in a very open manner and a transparent way. And this is a relationship we are counting on for the long term to come. Thank you very much, Ambassador.